Hey everyone, Maria here with A1 Tool, and today I'm actually on location in Republic, Missouri with a gentleman named Randy Fender and of course the great John Kallenbach. And anyway, we've got something we want to show you. It's going to be a great new product that you'll want to know about. It's called the Pull Master, and so we just want to kind of show you how it came into being and how to use it. And you can find it on our website right this moment at pdrtool.com. That's pdrtool.com. Just look under new products and you will find it right there, front and center. You will also notice there's a little button on it that says sale, because for this weekend only, we're going to offer it to you at a low introductory price. And so this is going to be one affordable product that you'll want to make sure you take advantage of. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and I'm going to show you what the Pull Master is all about. So I'm going to let John take over and yeah. All right, John, what have we got here today?
Hey everybody. Got Randy Fender first off here, PDR technician. We're in Republic, Missouri. He services several dealerships around here. He called me a week ago and I think had seen some of the other products that had come to market that were an anchoring or a bridge system to support glue pulling. And he said, hey, I know it's not totally unique as other people have something, but I've got something that I think is really simple. And so we think simple is good. We do simple really well. And I think it also makes it really cost effective. So without any further ado, let's talk about this Pull Master, Randy, that you kind of designed. Just really three pieces. It works with the hitch, and you put your hitch, and then you've got kind of an erector set here. I'm just going to let you take over.
Okay. All right. Basically, what I wanted to do was, I thought I'd seen all of these large pieces of equipment that were out there that you could pull pressure, relieve the pressure on the dent, and work the crowns, and you kind of have to on all this complex damage these days. So what I was thinking was, I've got a vehicle with a hitch, and it's very simple to have that as a mounting place. And I'd called John and said, why couldn't we come up with this and have multiple different pulling locations, as well as being able to pull all at the same time off of this one central location. And what we came up with was this. You slip it in your hitch. You slip in the upright. You put the T-piece on.
Randy, you're going so fast. That took like 30 seconds.
That's great.
Simple is good.
Simple is good.
A lot of people might wonder about the play in this, but whenever you put tension on this, it will not have any play at all. I've got some things kind of rigged up here, already ready to go, so you can see what we're on about. I'm just going to tension these things slightly. And you can slip in any basic ratchet strap, any one of these holes in this system, and you can actually get your tension going.
That's pretty cool how the hooks just slip right into the
Absolutely.
existing holes, and so you've got all kinds of choices. You were telling me before we went on video, you like to be straight across typically, but not always from where you're pulled.
Any direction, any way you want. You've always got the capability to move your vehicle, and you can have any direction you want. Pull from multiple locations on multiple crowns, and get the damage moving in the right direction. Get everything set up. Lay this blanket over your ratchet straps for safety. That way, whenever the glue accidentally releases, it will catch it and it won't go back into your tailgate. That's very important. Tailgate, door on a van, whatever. And then you can just pull the tension that you need in each location to relieve the pressure on the panel. And that's why you keep the blanket, in case that glue releases. But you can see that you can put all the pressure you need, and this is stable as it can be now. It's not going anywhere. You've got everything pulled where you need to, so you can work those crowns.
Yeah, and so this tube is about an 1/8-inch wall, so you know you're talking about 6 times, 8 times the thickness of what a panel would be.
Absolutely.
So you've got all kinds of strength here. Like you said, once you put tension on your ratchet straps, you have no play in this whatsoever. You got a great anchoring system. I won't ask you to do it, but this trailer hitch is actually made we can turn the whole system sideways.
I told John it should be drilled both directions so that you could actually lay it horizontally, and you can actually use the red upright or the red cross beam, and you can put it out here on the side if you need to pull from a direction. And so if you want to pull horizontally or vertically, you can do either one.
Yeah, great. So it's got all kinds of versatility to it, yet it's very simple. And I'm so happy Randy asked us to do something like this because it was easy, and I thought it really had merit, and guys would get good use out of it. And so $395 for the system, for the Poolmaster system, but this weekend only, starting right now, going through Sunday at midnight, I guess, we'll do it for $345. So we'll knock $50 off that, and it's a great system. Not knocking anybody else's system, and we certainly looked at some of those, and they look to be good systems as well. Economical, yet I think really effective. Randy, thanks. That's a great design.
I just wanted to make something that mobile guys could use without breaking the bank.
Very good. I think that mission was accomplished. Thank you so much, Randy.
Thank you.
Anything else, gentlemen?
I think we're good.
All right. Good to go. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Tune in till next time.